So this is day 19 of my trade recap videos. It's the 26th of February 2026. Yeah, I haven't posted in a while. I was learning a lot new stuff. I'm shifting to a new strategy, to new concepts and to new overall approach of trading. That's why I didn't post, but today I took a trade. Obviously I'm going into it, nothing too much, but I'll start posting new recap videos as soon as I'm really ready with my new trading model, with the new approach. It's something similar like the fractal model. I'm still kind of in the QT, quarterly theory space, but I'm shifting towards trading less and actually trading much better than before. So let's first of all start with the weekly. When I came to the session, we were somewhere up here. We already took out this high, previous week's high also. So it's for longer term trades, it's really shitty price action because we had a reversal signature right here. We took out the high of the candle 1, and yeah, we could have gone higher on BTC. We're going higher currently, but right here we also want to see some kind of retracement also after this huge move higher. If you're taking this CRT right here, we went higher, we took out these highs. So right here there's also, we rebalanced this range perfectly. We don't have a reversal signature candle right here, so usually we want to see previous day's high just in terms of the candle closures, but in the overall context, sorry, it made sense to reverse from here. Also, if you look at the lower time frame cracks, obviously on the 4 hour, we got a bearish monthly cycle right here. We tapped into these gaps, so we had SSMT fill right here, and so we overall want to see a retracement on the hourly, on the weekly cycle. Also, you see this is start of the week. We went lower, we manipulated lower, made a bullish SSMT, we went higher, and this marks out the top of the week. On Wednesday, which is perfectly aligning with the time too, we made a bearish SSMT, which puts in the manipulation or confirms the manipulation of the high of the week. So in terms of the open high low close, this makes perfectly sense. Maybe we drop lower from now like this and retrace on Friday. So yeah, today I went to charting at 9 a.m. as you can see right here at 9, and yeah, we also had this 1 hour CRT. I'm not going into much right now because this is something for my new model, and I just want to make this a quick trade recap. But we also had a perfect candle 2 right here, reversal after taking out this liquidity right here. And on the 4 hour, yeah, we also kind of, yeah, we build up liquidity right here. It's how can I say it? We have a reversal already here. This is just a small retracement intraday to go lower again. This is an inside candle. We got a kind of bearish candle here, no wick on the low. So then timing was pretty nice. Also, we were pretty overextended on the week, and on the more higher time frame we were at the 50% dealing range. So easy. We want to expect some lows right here. So let's go to the 50-minute time frame actually to see if you have bearish SSMT. I'm not really using SSMT so much. I kind of shift away from the quarterly theory concepts, and especially when I'm trading myself, I want to use other confluent, just as the 1 hour CRT or something like that. It's just I can still call the SSMPs, that's the thing. We have one right here, so Asia kind of accumulated, London built up liquidity, and here we swept the liquidity at 8:30 with a precision swing point with a 1 hour CRT. Still no SSMT, but obviously it is tradable. That's the thing I try to say. I'm not really restricting myself to SSMT and to quarterly theory anymore. Right here we have a 5-minute SSMT. We get a TCIST right here, but this is also a continuation entry. So as you can see on the 1 hour CRT, we get a 5-minute change in the state right here, and then you just take the continuation from the propulsion block right here, which is in this case the same as the TCIST, but obviously we didn't get a retest of it. So what you want to do, no, actually the first propulsion block was actually right here, so this would be the perfect entry right here at the retest. This would be the perfect entry for today. But I saw this as a propulsion block. This was also this change in the state. No retest at all. We just dropped straight in 925. No wick higher, wickless candle, just instant dropped to the true day open. We took out the Asia lows already, and yeah, right here you could expect a reversal, but I was really sure that we didn't want to reverse because we had just these opening gaps, this balanced price range right here, gap right here. On the 4 hour also there's a huge gap, and overall the weekly profile is very important right here. I really wanted to see a huge move lower. 5-minute again right here, we got a small bullish candle right at 935, and we wicked higher right here. This is where I started trading. We got this high wick right here, and we dropped lower. We got a change in the state, like an inter-candle change in the state right here, and this is just right here when I entered right here at the retest. I entered my short. As you can see, we had kind of the same thing, propulsion block right, first change in the state right here. It's not really a change in the state, we're still bearish. Normal change in state is right here, but inter-candle change in state, another inter-candle change in state, another inter-candle change in state. So you can say that this is just a liquidity build to sweep all these highs right here, but I was pretty sure that we want to drop lower, because we still made lower lows, and as soon as we really broke this low right here, I knew we want to drop lower. So this is where I entered. It was a really fast open high low close, so just entered somewhere here in the middle, put my stop on this high right here, and I targeted, as you can see, this is the 10 a.m. opening, but I wanted to see at least this 1 hour gap getting filled completely. So this is my first target. My second target is the true month open. Or no, actually I think I took everything at the true month open. So this is the trade for today. No, this can't be true. It can't be less than these are ours. I might actually entered lower. Yeah, I think it was this one. These, yeah, I remember these were the highs I was putting my stop loss on. Or no, it was, I'm sure it was this high right here. Yeah, it was this high right here, but I entered off this earlier propulsion block. It was about 1.6 or pretty sure. I think something like this. Yeah, exactly. Right here. Yeah, this was the trade. Intercandle change state lower, retest on the aggressive move higher, and stops right here. Targeted through month open 1.7 RR, but then as you can see we dropped way lower at the 10 a.m. macro time. So yeah, but this is a trade recap from today. Nice continuation lower, and yeah, I start making videos again. I learned a lot, and I want to make consistent trade recaps as soon as I'm really ready for it. But this is it, and see you next time.